Hello friends! I've been overthinking this way too much. But now I have my pretty peonies next to me and I want to talk about plants today. I love houseplants, but I don't really have a lot of experience with houseplants. I have some experience with outdoor plants and things like that, but houseplants is a new territory for me. This year was the first time we repotted some of our plants and we actually decided to film the process, and it actually turned out to be almost like a meditation for both of us. I don't know why, but it was so calming. We turned on some nice music. There's a playlist on Spotify, I think it's called plant music or something related to plants. It's basically a playlist which you would leave on for your plants when you leave house. But we turned that on and it was so calming, and we spent the afternoon just repotting our plants and talking about stuff and some silly things. So that's why I'm making this video, because I thought it's a nice memory to keep. So together with the repotting clips, I would like to share my houseplant diary, or plant diary, or planties diary as I like to call it. I have a lot of notebooks and my goal in life is to actually fill them in with something. So I've been working on that pretty well, I would say, this year. So one of the notebooks I've decided to dedicate to plants. So that's my plant diary. This is very clean canvas. I am actually thinking of maybe painting this, obviously with plants, but that's a project for the future. So alongside the repotting clips, I will show you close-ups of my plant diary, which I think it turned out pretty sweet. I've printed out the photos of my plants and I have some facts about them, mostly things that I read online about keeping them alive. Some of the plants unfortunately already passed away. I'm still keeping them in this diary as a reminder that I can always become better at keeping plants alive. Oh, that's a skill to learn. You can already see the one with the black ribbon at the corner. That's one of the unfortunate friends that passed away. So since starting this planner, I think I unfortunately lost two of them, and I believe one of them, which I still have at my home, I think it is either really struggling or it's already dead and it's just there. So I'm not even sure if it's alive. So yeah, grab a cup of tea and enjoy our repotting meditation. I will try and make translations and subtitles to our conversations, because me and my partner, we speak really weird mixture of languages and we don't even feel it. So there's definitely words in English and Lithuanian. We mostly speak Lithuanian together. So yeah, I'll do my best to make those conversations readable. I've left the ones that I thought were quite interesting or quite sweet or quite silly, mainly for myself to remember, because there's not a lot of times where I have captured us both talking nonsense. I think we were so in the zone that we forgot that we were actually filming something, so we didn't really care that we are being recorded, and I think those precious moments there are really real. Please enjoy our repotting meditation and get to know my plant family.
Bye.
Goodbye.
Du gaat. Happy? Jag tror det är healthier. I have no idea what I'm doing. I'm kind of enjoying the process. No? Meditation. Come on, Fred, you're gonna be my baby now.
Fred?
Yeah. pagreitėjom.
Drąsiau gal darom dabar.
Jo.
Gali būt, kad bus konfliktinė feilija ir neužaugs. Nes čia žiūriu biškį.
Papilijas?
Iš kažkur šaknis vis tiek auga. Nu kas blogiausia bus, po kelių mėnesių niekas neįvyks ir išmes. Nu tai šitą reikia visą užkloti.
Taip.
Čia gavosi tokia visai meditacija.
Jo.
Nu, visada sode dirbti yra meditacija. Nes tu stengies dėl living thing.
Ir dėl savęs.
Dėl savęs, jo.
Nes tu stengies dėl jų. Gal mums pasiekti pro savęs.
Be happy, baby. Be happy, grow beautifully. Oh, well done. That was a big job.
Jo. Bet o jeigu taip dabar Assassin's Creed Valhalla ir jūs užpuola, nes jūs šventėte buvo užimti.
Ai. Nu, Jo, dabar būtų just about time.
Yeah.
Hello again. I'm here to say a big thank you for watching this video, and I hope I will see you in my next one. Bye bye!